Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Ride with Hassan. In the previous episode, we left Lahore behind and crossed Sagiya Bridge, officially beginning our journey toward Gurdwara Janamasthan in Nankana Sahib. और अब रोड खुल चुकी है. The highways of Punjab lie ahead and our ride toward the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji continues. The moment you leave Lahore behind, the entire atmosphere of the ride begins to change. The traffic becomes lighter, the roads begin to open up, and suddenly the ride feels much calmer and more relaxed compared to the busy streets of the city. There is always a special excitement in that moment when you realize the journey has truly begun. Riding with us as always is CPS on his Honda Rebel 500. The Rebel brings a completely different character to the group, a relaxed cruiser style that fits perfectly with long and steady rides. CBS usually keeps a very composed riding pace, staying aware of the group and maintaining the formation nicely. और ग्रुप राइड्स में CPS का रोल यूजुअली कोऑर्डिनेटर का भी होता है, making sure everyone stays connected during the ride. As the kilometers pass, the scenery around us slowly begins to change. The dense buildings of Lahore gradually give way to open land, agricultural fields and long straight roads. Punjab has always been known for its fertile land and agricultural heritage. Riding through these areas reminds you how closely connected the region is with farming and rural life. One of the historic districts along our route today is Sheikhupura. Sheikhupura has a fascinating history that dates back several centuries. The city is believed to have been named after the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, whose childhood name was Sheikhu. Because of this nickname, the region eventually became known as Sheikhupura. One of the most famous landmarks associated with Sheikhupura is Hiran Minar. This monument was built by Emperor Jahangir in memory of his beloved pet deer named Mansraj. The emperor was so fond of the animal that after its death, he ordered a tower to be built at the burial site. Even today, Hiran Minar stands as one of the most unique monuments from the Mughal era. During the Mughal period, the forests and wetlands around Sheikhupura served as royal hunting grounds. Mughal emperors often travelled from Lahore to this region for hunting expeditions and layar. Gardens, lakes and monuments were built to support these royal retreats. Riding through this area today, it's interesting to imagine how these lands once hosted Mughal emperors centuries ago. This entire region of Punjab is deeply connected with Sikh history. Just a short distance from here lies Nankana Sahib, the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born here in 1469 and from this very land began a spiritual journey that would later influence millions of people around the world. Guru Nanak's teachings focused on equality, compassion, humility and devotion to one God. His message emphasized that all human beings are equal regardless of caste, religion or social status. These teachings eventually became the foundation of Sikhism, which today is practiced by millions across the globe. Because of this history, Nankana Sahib holds a very special place for the Sikh community. And knowing that we are riding towards such a historically and spiritually significant place adds a completely different meaning to this journey. One interesting thing about today's ride is the variety of bikes in the group. Each bike has its own personality and riding style. Some bikes are designed for long distance comfort, some for performance, and some for adventure. But once the ride begins, all these machines share the same road and the same destination. City rides are fun, but long rides outside the city have a completely different charm. Just ahead of me, Pracha Saab is riding the Gold Wing. Gold Wing is one of those motorcycles that is built purely for long distance comfort. और जब आप इस तरह के हाईवे राइड पर होते हैं, you can really see how smoothly it cruises on the open road. Watching it glide ahead on the highway almost makes the ride look effortless. Riding on the highways like this feels very different compared to riding inside the city. In cities, riders constantly deal with signals, intersections, pedestrians, and unpredictable traffic. But on the highways, the ride settles into a rhythm. The road stretches ahead, the engine hums steadily, and the rider becomes completely connected with the journey. बस रोड और राइडर का कनेक्शन सा बन जाता है. Long motorcycle rides also have an interesting effect on the mind. After some time on the road, the noise of everyday life slowly fades away. The focus narrows down to just a few things: the road ahead, the sound of the engine, and the rhythm of the ride. And that is often when the journey becomes most enjoyable. Now, just in front of me, Faraz is riding his Honda Africa Twin. The Africa Twin has a completely different character compared to the Goldwing. It's an adventure machine built to handle almost any terrain. But what's really noticeable is how steadily Faraz is riding, mashallah. Smooth throttle, consistent pace, and perfect control. Exactly the kind of riding style you want on longer journeys. On group rides like this, having riders who maintain a steady rhythm makes the entire formation much more comfortable for everyone. And that's one of the best things about riding in a group. Every rider brings a different machine and a different style to the road. Right now, we are maintaining a fairly close formation so that everyone can keep an eye on each other. On group rides, especially on longer journeys, formation riding becomes very important. अगर किसी राइडर को कोई इशू हो, मैकेनिकल हो या ट्रैफिक रिलेटेड या कोई मेडिकल इशू, the group immediately notices. Riding like this is not about speed. It is about coordination, awareness, and riding together as a team. After spending a good stretch of time on the road, we are now approaching our first stop of the journey, the Sapphire Factory in Sheikhupura. This stop is arranged by Faraz, so it makes for a perfect place to pause for a while before continuing the ride. Long rides always feel better when you take small breaks along the way, a chance to stretch, refresh, and reset before getting back on the road. We will take a short stop here, grab some breakfast, and get ourselves ready for the next stretch of the ride. Because after this stop, the road ahead will take us directly toward our destination, Nankana Sahib, the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And very soon, we will finally reach the sacred Gurdwara Janamasthan. But that part of the journey begins in the next episode.
बस ठीक है आप रिलैक्स करें and we should take one picture here.
Yes.
ये आलू छिले पराठे खा रहे हैं.
जी.
बच्चे साहब को डॉक्टर ने मना नहीं किया था.